What's going on, everyone? This is Zach Shaheed, broadcasting live from Shaheedville, the great city of Columbus, Georgia. It is time, y'all, for another live Zach Fact. Yes, I am the Dadpreneur, one of the leaders of the Legacy Creators. And on today's live Zach Fact, we are going to talk about how to handle negative people. But before I jump into today's topic, as always, if you have not joined Dominate Social Media, immediately following this broadcast, type in Dominate Social Media in the Facebook search, and we have 12 free module trainings that if you go through all 12 trainings, you will become a marketing beast. So make sure you join Dominate Social Media, following this broadcast. So what's up, Melinda? What's going on, my friend? You are in the building. I see Kim is in the building. Welcome, welcome. So guys, make sure you share this broadcast out, because there is a network marketer that is going through this, or you may have gone through this yourself. So as you all pop in, drop me the number 1 in the comment stream if you have ever dealt with a negative person that mentioned any type of uneducated whatever to you about network marketing, right? Like they found out you was in network marketing and they told you how it was a pyramid scheme. They found out you was in network marketing and told you how everybody they know that got in network marketing failed and lost their shirt. Okay, so let me know with the number 1 in the comment stream if you have ever dealt with negative people, because I think if you have been in network marketing for any amount of time, you have dealt with a negative person. I know I have been through it. Okay, I see the ones coming in. So we all go through it, right? So how do you deal with that? There's a couple of things that I talked to my mentor, Robert Hollis, about, and he really had to break this down for me to help me really change my mindset around negative people, right? So I want to give that back to you all as well. So again, if you have not shared the broadcast, share the broadcast so we can help other network marketers out in the industry overcome negative people as well, right? So when you think about a negative person, guys, first of all, let me tell you the story that my mentor told to me to kind of help create an analogy around negative people, right? So what I want you guys to do first, what's up, Tina? Tina's in the building. So what I want you guys to do first is I want you to imagine, right, that you are driving in a car. And if you are somebody with a family, imagine you are driving in the car with your family, right? So you're driving, you're going the speed limit, you're following all the, the precautions of the road. And then all of a sudden you see this car fly by you, jumps in front of you, cuts you off, and you have to slam on your brakes in order to not hit this person, right? I want you guys to imagine that, and then I want you to put in the comment stream, how would you feel? How would you feel if somebody did that to you? Because when my mentor told me this, all I could think about was, my son Zion, who's 2, my oldest son Deuce, who was 8. I just pictured me being in the car with them and their lives being in danger because somebody decided to fly past us, jump in front of us, almost run us off the road. So I'm upset. Okay, drop me the number 2 in the comment stream if you would get upset if that had happened to you, right? So then my mentor says, okay, now Zach, I want you to imagine that you're so upset that you decide to follow this person, right? And as you're following this person, you're taking their license plate number down. You're calling the police saying, somebody just cut me off, almost had me and my family in a major accident. And now I'm watching them, and I saw this car just jump 3 lanes, okay, and almost had 3 other cars in a major accident. They just jumped 3 lanes and they went off the exit, right? So imagine that happening. So now you're angry because this person cut you off, right? Now you're following the person and you're madder now because now you see them jeopardizing the lives of other people. They cut off 3 other cars and they jump off the exit, right? So now keep imagining, guys, it's a point to this whole story, right? So now you're following this person, you follow them off the exit, right? And when you get off the exit, you see them pull up to a hospital emergency room. Uh-oh. Okay, you see them pull up to a hospital emergency room. So you hop out your car, you're furious because they cut you off, they cut off 3 other people, they almost caused a mass accident on the interstate. You follow them off the exit, you see them pull up to the hospital in the emergency room, and all of a sudden, A 14-year-old girl gets out, she's crying, and she says, somebody please help me. My mother's in the back. I don't know what's wrong with her. Guys, now tell me in the comment stream, how would you feel? Because after my mentor took me through this emotional situation, initially I was upset because this person cut me off, right? Initially I was upset because this person cut off 3 other people trying to get to the off the exit, all right? Almost caused a mass, collision on the interstate. But then I follow them to the hospital. A 14-year-old girl jumps out. She's crying. Somebody please help me. My mom's in the back. I don't know what's wrong with her. So guys, immediately right then, my mentor said, now Zach, listen to me. Okay, the way you feel right now, you feel bad because now you understand more about her situation, right? So the moral to this story is this, guys. When people are negative towards you about network marketing, you never know what type of day somebody has had, right? You never know what some of the things people have gone through in their lives to cause them to be negative. Because I guarantee you, they're just not negative about network marketing. They're probably negative about everything in life. And it's because of the experiences they have went through that has caused this feeling. So Melinda said, hey, I will feel bad, right? I think most of us will feel bad if that was to happen. But guys, understand with negative people, number one is you never understand what they have gone through. Okay, you just don't know unless they tell you. That's number one. Number two, if they are negative, guys, and you're trying to help somebody out with your business opportunity, understand that you have just found the wrong person at the wrong time in their life and move on. Move on. That's all you can do. See, some of us, we spend so much time trying to convince people that they need to join our business. They need our product or service. They got to come see how awesome this company is, right? Guys, if they are the wrong person at the wrong time in their life, there is nothing that you can do to convince them otherwise. They're the wrong person. There are billions of people that you can talk to about your network marketing company. So stop depending on one negative person. Stop chasing down negative people, trying to convince them to do something that they're just not going to do because they're the wrong person at the wrong time. So that's your live Zach fact for today. Hopefully you all got some value from this. If you did, let me know in the comment stream. Make sure you share this out. Tag another network marketer because they're going to get some value as well. And as always, I want to give you guys a free gift. Okay, so what I want to do is make sure you guys go to roberthollis.com. That is roberthollis.com. Okay, that is my mentor, the millionaire creator himself. He has given me permission to give away his training for free. Okay, so go to roberthollis.com, click on the red button and sign up for free for my Millionaire Mentors Network Marketing Training, okay? You're going to get access to the back office with all of his training for free. And then every single Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, we do what's called Tribe, T-R-I-B-E, right? The Tribe training every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. It is network marketing training, guys. Get your teams plugged in, plug yourself in, get this wisdom from somebody who's documented in the industry for producing top earners, all right? So go to roberthollis.com, get your access. I look forward to seeing you guys on the Tribe training. That's your live Zach fact for today. Have a great day on purpose. We are out. Peace.